subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from Tech Tutorials.
Okay, we're going to start with a regular spreadsheet. Not a lot of data on it. We've got some standard data with standard headings: last name, first name, account, which would be their account number, balance, day due, received, and whether the account is past due or not. So what we need to do on this particular lesson is to show you how to sum up the entire balance. So we've got individual customers with balance, and what we want to do is sum this column up. So I can select the first one in Excel and drag it down. Okay, by holding the left mouse button down, you just drag it to the end of the column, and with Excel 2007 it automatically averages it for you, gives you a count of the rows you selected, and then it sums up. If you've got numbers in those fields, it sums it up for you. So we're looking at 1.1 million for our total. So in order to get this data summed up and placed into this cell right here on row 16, we can go up to the AutoSum command. Click on the AutoSum command and you'll see that it has produced that same number, the 1.1 million. Now, the AutoSum command can also be used to average the count numbers, maximize the maximum numbers, and the minimum numbers. And there's also more functions that can be added to this little bar here. So what we've done is we have taken the number that we have calculated ourselves using the selection format, had Excel do it for us in auto format. Then we had to place the formula in the totals column for us, which would be sum. The equal sign always goes before the formula. Sum is a formula in Excel, and it's summed columns D, which is this one, D2 through D15. So it took D2 to D15. Now, if you happen to do that, this right here, what I just did, while being in the formula field, you've clicked somewhere else on the Excel spreadsheet, you can just hit escape and it'll go back to normal. Alright, that's basic summing on this tutorial.